Hi, I'm Joe Hadzicki, inventor of the Revolution Kite, and our main goal is for you to have fun. But in high winds over 12 miles an hour, the possibility of damaging your rev with a high-speed crash is a concern, especially for new pilots. The key to avoid damage is to reduce the powerful crashes that happen in high winds. Here are 6 tips to help you fly your rev in high wind conditions. Tip number 1, move your grip down the handle. This will change the pivot point in your handle, slowing your rev down. Tip number 2, move your top line out. Move your bottom line in. The goal in high wind flying is to reduce the speed of your rev. If you can reduce that speed, it will decrease the power of the crash. In light winds, you can move your top lines in. This will make it easier to launch your rev in light conditions. But in high wind conditions, you want to move that top line out. And move your bottom line in. This will reduce the speed of your rev, making it easier to control in high wind conditions. Tip number 3, consider shorter handles. Your standard rev comes with 13-inch handles, but you can also order short 11-inch handles. The 11-inch handles will make your rev more stable, which is a great option for high wind flying. You can custom order different length handles, different color handles, and you can even get custom leader lines at revkites.com. Tip number 4, stay in control. Start with a very simple launch, instantly stop it, and back it down to land. Tip number 5, get yourself a vented rev model. Here we have the Reflex XX Super Tarantula. This reduced sail area makes it easier to control that burst of speed and power that happens in high winds. Tip number 6, consider removing your Reflex springs. The Reflex system offers stability when flying your Revolution, but some new pilots have flutter happening while flying. This flutter can cause damage to your sail. So if you notice flutter when flying, consider removing your Reflex springs when flying in high winds. Visit us at revkites.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our next video, and we'll see you on the field.